everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can see from the title, I tried to do zero waste, plastic free shopping in Morrisons. I'm actually back now, but I'll be showing you the video just in a second. But just to show you, this is my pile of unfortunately plastic items, and here is my pile of as much zero waste as possible. So obviously if I couldn't get something that is completely zero waste, I chose either the tins, glass or cardboard. And of course I tried to get as many, you know, loose veggies and fruits as possible. Little disclaimer, I'm vegan, so everything you'll be seeing is of course going to be vegan. So every time I go shopping, I have a list with me. I try not to spend over £50, and I do a lot of planning of what I'm going to cook, and I do cook one lunch per 2 days. So basically I cook like a big lunch for 2 days. So all the items you'll be seeing today are basically for my dishes.
So right now I'm in Morrisons, and the first section that you will see here is fruit and veg, of course. And I love to make a lot of juices and have a lot of fresh fruit, and luckily there's a lot of like zero waste fruits here in Morrisons because they don't have packages, but of course also a lot of fruit does have packages. So my favorite juice to make is from pineapple, and luckily this doesn't come with a package. And then I also pick up some fresh oranges because they're really great for juice too. I obviously have apples too and stuff like that, but I had them at home. So each of these oranges was 35p, which is actually not too bad, and they're really super juicy, and I can pick my own, and I just put them into this bag that I have, and it's actually recycled from plastic bottles. And then I also buy a bunch of bananas, and they also come non-plastic, and actually there was a box with loose bananas which I thought was super cool and perfect for zero waste, so I got some of those as well. Again, put them in my little bag here. Recently I made my first coconut milk out of coconuts. It was super delicious, and I thought, let's do this again. These coconuts are super cheap also, and it just saves a lot of like cardboard boxes and money when you buy normal milk. And then I find that berries and grapes and stuff like that, they always come in a lot of plastic. You can hardly escape that. And I always need berries, especially for my daughter, and also to add them to smoothies. And I decided to just get some raspberries and some grapes. So then I got some cauliflower, and I always try to look at things that are reduced because first of all they are cheap, and second of all they're going to be thrown anyway. So that's why it's a really good deal. So I just got this cauliflower for my soup. And of course a lot of salads and lettuce come wrapped in plastic. That's why I tried to grow my own, but I needed a cucumber, and oh my gosh, can you believe this? There's actually plastic wrapped around the cucumber. Like, what a waste of plastic. But I really needed this cucumber for my juices, so that's why I got it. And then I also got some peppers. Luckily they were loose, so I got some of those for my soup later on, these beautiful red peppers. And then of course mushrooms. Most of those is wrapped in plastic, put in plastic, and luckily there was some loose mushrooms, and I had my bag and I just filled some mushrooms in my bag. And then I also got some other things for my stir fry, and some of them were in plastic and some of those were loose. So then I moved on to fridge sections, and the first thing that I got was tofu, and of course tofu comes in plastic. You can sometimes find it in cardboard in some of the shops, but in Morrisons they didn't have it, so I just got this tofu. And then I got some milk as well, and luckily they come in cardboard. I tried to make my own milk from now on. I make my oat milk and coconut milk, but sometimes I really want almond milk, and nuts are really expensive and they do come in plastic, so sometimes it's just cheaper to just get almond milk in a box. And I always get a yogurt for Arella, so I just get this soya Alpro yogurt in cherry flavor. Then I needed some noodles, and unfortunately they come in plastic, as you can see right now. And then I arrived to the Oriental section, and I needed red curry paste, and I basically had a choice between this plastic little container of red curry, or right next to it was a glass container, but the glass container is really big, so I'm gonna have to use it wisely. But of course I decided to go for the glass container. And the coconut milk came in tins, so that's super good because I can just recycle these. I always make a choice whether I want to buy some bread or whether I want to buy crumpets or something like that, and I decided to buy crumpets, even though both come in plastic anyway, but crumpets are my favorite at the moment. And then I got some extra stuff, and I didn't really have a choice, so I just got some in plastic containers and some in recycled ones. Moving on to freezer section, I decided to get these sausages. They come in cardboard, and then I also got some chicken pieces, obviously vegan, which is also in cardboard box, so that's pretty cool. And that is basically my shopping completed. So as you can see, I have divided some sections, some is plastic and some is recycled.
So thank you for watching this video, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give a big thumbs up so I can maybe make more videos about going to Sainsbury and maybe Asda, maybe Lidl, maybe Aldi, maybe Marks and Spencer, maybe Co-op, who knows? Anyway, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.